This is so nice. I actually have the app connected right now. It tells me how long my massage has been going on. I have the relax mode on. There's the vitality.
Relieve stress mode.
Relieve stress.
Pulling mode.
Pulling. Soothing. And then
Relax mode.
back to relax. You can then change your intensity. I cranked it to the highest intensity of 6. And then the hot compress, there's off, low, middle, high,
Highest.
or highest, where I love that heat that's on it. This is just super, super nice. I'm going to take it off so that you can see, but it's so easy to wear. And you can wear this while you work. It's not bothersome or anything like that. It has that red light therapy going on. And then
Hot compress on.
the vibrations there, and it does different ones depending on the setting. You don't have to use the app. All the same things are right here on the side as well. So you can slide forward, slide back, slide down to do all the different changes
Vitality mode.
as well.
Level 4.
So I love that. It's really, really soft on the inside. You can turn it off right there.
Massage complete.
And then the whole thing is foldable, so it takes up like no space, especially if you're gonna take this traveling. Comes with a really pretty charging cord as well. This is amazing. I mean, I've tested a lot of neck massagers, and this one is top notch. You're gonna love it.